Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to JumpTask. So there are two methods to do this. So the first method, if you don't have an account and you are going to create an account, you press on the sign up button. It will show you can sign up with Google, or sign up with Facebook, or sign up with Apple, or connect with wallet. And you can see Trust Wallet here. You choose it, and then you can scan the QR from your phone if your Trust Wallet account is open on your mobile app, or you can just use browser and then follow the steps, and that's it. If you don't have Trust Wallet, you just can get it, and that's it. Or the second method is when you are signed in, you will see your profile icon here. You press on it, and then you can see Connect Wallet, and you will see just the same pop-up as here. You can see all the wallets. You choose Trust Wallet, you put your login details, and then you authorize the connection between Trust Wallet and JumpTask, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.